Welcome back everyone. Let's get back to the chapter which we were doing before revision, that is number system. In this chapter we have learned about different types of decimals like terminating, non-terminating, repeating and non-terminating, non-repeating decimals. We also saw in our previous sessions that all non-terminating repeating decimals are rational, means non-terminating repeating. Let's get back to this concept now again. So I explained you this before. Once again I'll recall that and we'll get back to the exercise questions. So what are non-terminating repeating decimals? What do you mean by this term and why they are rational numbers? So suppose if I take an example of a fraction 2 by 3. Okay, so when you divide 2 by 3, let's see what happens here. 2 by 3, so 2 is not divisible by 3. 2 won't go in 3 table, so I'll take 0 point here and I can take 1 0, okay, with the decimal. So 3 6 times I'll get 18, yeah. Then if I subtract it I get 2. Then with this point I can take 1 0 here. Then again I get 3 6 times 18, yeah. Then subtracting it again I get 2. With point I can take a 0 here. Then 3 6 times. So you can observe here that the same step is getting repeated again and again. Again you get 20, then you get 6 6 6 6, so on. So the final answer for this is 0.6 bar, because this line which I am putting above 6 is a bar. 0.6 bar, that means 6 is repeating. How many times? It's never ending. Okay, so this type of decimals are called non-terminating repeating decimals, and they are rational numbers. Why they are rational numbers? Because we are getting this from p by q form. Okay, hope you all remember the definition of a rational number. Numbers which can be written in the form of p by q are rational. So 2 by 3 is rational, so 0.6 must also be a rational number. Now the question is, if this is rational number, 0.6 bar is rational number, how to convert this into p by q form? Yes, how to convert this 0.6 bar back to 2 by 3? This is the question now. From 2 by 3 I got 0.6 bar, okay, this way I divided it. If I want to go in reverse way, from 0.6 bar if I want to get 2 by 3, how to do that? For other fractions which are terminating decimals, like if I say 1 by 2, 1 by 2 is 0.5, yeah. So I can easily convert 0.5 to 1 by 2. Here 1 by 2 I am converting to 0.5. 0.5 I can easily convert to 1 by 2. Just I'll move the point. What happens if I move the point to the right? I get by 10 in the denominator, because I am moving one step. If I move 2 steps I get 100. If I go 3 steps I get 1000. Okay, that you have learned in fractions and decimals. So 5 by 10, 5 by 10, when you cancel 5 one times, 5 two times, that is again 1 by 2. So listen carefully. 1 by 2 I converted to 0.5, and 0.5 I converted to 1 by 2 directly. But can I convert 0.6 bar directly like that by moving the point? No, I cannot convert it directly by moving the point to the right. Okay, I'll get 6 by 10. Okay, if I directly try to convert it, I'll get here 6 by 10. 6 by 10 is not 2 by 3. Okay, 2 3 times, 2 5 times, that will be wrong. Okay, so this is not the method of converting. So we are going to learn the method of converting non-terminating repeating decimals, this type of decimals, into p by q form. That is the concept for today. So very simple. So luckily we have got the same question express the following in the form of p by q, where p and q are integers. So this is 0.6 bar, which is non-terminating repeating decimal. Okay, we got it from 2 by 3. Okay, 0.6 bar. So 0.6 bar means that 6 is repeated here infinite number of times. Okay, so 0.6 bar we have to convert in the form of p by q. So we'll begin in this way. Let x is equal to 0.6 bar, and I'll write 0.666 so on. How many times I want I can write, but I write 3 to 4 times. As the bar is on one digit here. Okay, so you can see the bar here is only on one digit, so I multiply by 10 on both the sides of this equation 1. This is our equation number 1, so I'll multiply by 10 on both the sides. So if I multiply by 10 here, I get 10x. I'm multiplying 10 by 10 on both the sides of this equation. So 10x is equal to, what happens when this is multiplied by 10, the point goes to the right, one step to the right. Okay, so the point comes in between 6.666. okay, so point moves to the right. If I multiply this by 10, you can see here this point goes here. Okay, from here it goes to this point, this position. Now this is our second equation. Okay, if the bar is on two digits, we should multiply by 100. Okay, if the bar is on say 2 digits, we should multiply by 100. If the bar is on 3 digits, we should multiply by 1000. It goes on. Okay, so here we have got two equations, equation 1 and equation number 2. I'll do equation 2 minus equation number 1, 2 minus 1. So when you subtract this and this, left hand side 10x minus x, and right hand side 6.666 so on, and this is 0.666. when you subtract it, what happens, you'll get 6 here. Okay, all these 6 becomes 0 with this. Okay, so you get 6 when you subtract. We can do it in the rough column. So finally I get 9x is equal to 6, and x is equals to 6 by 9. 9 goes in the denominator. So when you simplify it further, you will get x is equal to, you can cancel this 6 by 9, you will get 3 2 times and 3 3 times. So finally we reached our answer that 0.6 bar is equals to 2 by 3. Okay, so this is the way we can convert non-terminating repeating decimals into p by q form. You have to follow the same procedure for every question. Okay, irrespective of its value. For your reference, I have given other questions also. Here you can see the bar is only on 7. Okay, 0.47 bar. So there is lot of difference between 0.47 bar and this is not equal to 0.47 bar. What is the difference between these two? Here bar is on both the digits, here bar is only on 7. Okay, so our question is this one. Which one is our question? Our question is this one, 0.47 bar, that is 7 is repeating. So we'll take let x is equal to 0.4, 7 is having a bar, so 7 repeats, 777. So bar is only on one digit, I multiply by 10 on both the sides again. So 10x is equals to 10 into 0.4777. So always you should multiply equation 1 with the value. Okay, the 10 or 100 or 1000, whatever you have. So why we are multiplying by 10 here? Because the bar is only on one digit, that is the reason. So 10x is equals to, if I multiply this by 10, the point moves to the right, one step to the right, so this becomes 4.777 so on. Then again I'll do 2 minus 1 here, equation 2 minus equation 1. Okay, so that I'll get 10x minus x if you subtract left hand sides, and if you subtract right hand sides, 4.777, so on, minus 0.4777, so on. Okay, when you subtract it, here you can say in the rough column we get 4.3. so 0 x is equals to 4.3 by 9. 4.3 by 9 should not be left like that, it should be written as 43 by 90. Okay, we should remove the point, it should not be in decimals. Okay, so this is converted in p by q form. Now when you check this on calculator or when you divide it, you will get that 4.43 by 90 is 0.47 bar. Okay, so this is the way we have to proceed with all the questions. You can see here bar is on 3 digits, 0.001 bar. So what will you multiply on both the sides here? Because bar is on 3 digits, so we'll multiply by 1000 on both the sides, following the same procedure. Okay, following the same procedure you have to solve all the questions. Here when you solve it, you'll get 1 by 999. Okay, 1 by 999 is the answer. Next is question number 4. That is also the same, 0.999 you have to convert to p by q form. So here also we do the same thing. In all of these we should subtract first from the second. Okay, 2 minus 1. In this also you must do 2 minus 1. So I have given all the bits for your reference. Okay, follow the same procedure. Here also we follow the same procedure. Bar is on, here it's given 0.999. 0.999 is nothing but 0.9 bar. Okay, so only one digit is repeating, so here also we multiply by 10 on both the sides. So very simple, subtracting first from second and we get our answer. So here our answer is x is equals to 1, because 0.999 so on is approximately equals to 1. Okay, this is quite amazing answer. Okay, from 1 we get 0.999 so on. So this is the way, this is very important concept. Complete this in your class.